Did you know Elijah McCoy, the son of formerly enslaved parents who had escaped via the Underground Railroad, revolutionized the railroad industry in 1837 with his invention of the automatic lubricating cup for steam engines? Before his innovation, trains had to stop frequently to be oiled by hand, slowing travel and commerce. McCoy's invention allowed engines to self-lubricate while in motion, making trains faster, safer, and more efficient. His device was so effective that engineers specifically requested the real McCoy to ensure they were getting authentic, reliable equipment. This phrase entered American language as a symbol of authenticity and quality. His brilliance not only transformed transportation, but also left a lasting legacy in both industry and culture.
They stole a black man's name for a white TV show and never told you where it really came from. You've heard the phrase, the real McCoy. Most folks think of that 1960s white sitcom. But the truth, it started with a black genius whose story America buried. Elijah McCoy was born in 1844 to formerly enslaved parents who fled Kentucky through the Underground Railroad. He studied engineering in Scotland, but when he came home, no company would hire a black engineer, so he worked as a railroad fireman and quietly changed the entire industry. McCoy invented a self-lubricating device that kept trains running smoothly without stopping. His invention was so effective that engineers demanded, "Give me the real McCoy," meaning accept no imitation. But here's the gut punch: white-owned companies copied his design, made millions, and erased his name. While families watched the real McCoys on TV, the real McCoy, Elijah McCoy, was forgotten. Why does America celebrate the imitators, but bury the originators? Comment McCoy if you refuse to let his story stay hidden. Share and follow for more untold black truths they never taught you.
Say my name, Elijah McCoy. Why does it matter? Because I am the real McCoy. I was born in 1843, and my parents sent me overseas to Scotland, where I earned a degree in mechanical engineering. When I returned, the job I landed was on the railroads, oiling trains by hand. That's where I saw the crisis up close. Every steam engine, trains, ships, even factory machines had to stop constantly just for lubrication. Men crawled under red-hot machinery with cans of oil. If lubrication was late or missed, engines overheated, seized, or even failed completely. Railroads stalled, ships broke down, and factories lost precious hours. The entire industrial system ran in fits and starts. At 28, I turned that oil can into my first patent, the automatic lubricator. Oil was delivered steadily while the machine kept moving. Trains ran longer and faster. Steamships crossed waters more safely. Factories powered mass production without constant shutdowns. It wasn't just a fix for locomotives, it revolutionized every industry that depended on moving machines. Others tried to copy my invention, but their imitations failed. That's why people demanded the real McCoy, the original, the best, the one you could trust. At 28, I didn't just make engines run smoother. I gave modern industry the ability to run without interruption.